The Verum set of 3 marking knives comes in a really nice presentation box, and we have a left hand, a right hand and a spear point knife. The spear point we've got sharpening on left and right hand side, a good thick blade, a Pakkawood handle, which is Japanese laminated timbers with brass rivets. These knives are really comfortable in the hand. You can really get some power on there and a comfortable grip. We also have a left hand and a right hand knife. So these are going to be really useful if we're doing a cut on the left hand of an element. We'll use the left hand knife. If we're doing a cut on the right hand side of the element, we'll use the right hand knife. Also, if we were carving into a blind corner, we might use the right hand one or the left hand if we were going the opposite direction. Set of 3 knives gives you plenty of options and will last you a lifetime. The M2 steel will take a very, very good edge, and that edge will last a long old time. For more details in this set of 3 marking knives, check us out on woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and our YouTube channel.